everything is compelling. And the problem is when everything is compelling, that's reasonable doubt. You know, if the prosecution left a closing and we're still saying, well, the defense has a compelling argument, and they haven't even spoken yet, that's not a good sign for the prosecution.
Okay, let me bring in Richard Gabriel, because Richard Gabriel, you're a jury expert. This jury, they have the weight of the world's shoulders watching here. It's not just any old trial. It's a trial leading all the news bulletins in America now, network and cable. This is the biggest deal they're ever going to have to face. What are they thinking tonight? What do you think their thinking will be over the next couple of days?
Well, the truth is that verdicts are rarely just about evidence or the law. They're about human judgment. And both of the attorneys have to sit there and say, here's my juror. I've got a nursing assistant with eight kids. I've got a safety officer. I've got a woman whose husband is a space attorney who used to carry a conceal and carry weapon but let it lapse. These are the people that we have to talk to. This is the judgment that has to be made. It's what they think of it. It's likely that their judgment has already been made, and their views may have even been formed even before this case started.
And let me ask you, Richard, let me ask you this. In your experience of juries, are women likely to be tougher in a situation like this than men, or not as tough as men?
Oh, it depends on the woman and it depends on the situation. The truth is, everybody kept saying, well, here's the women and they're going to be more sympathetic to Trayvon Martin. And the truth is that it depends on their life experiences. And what I look to is in jury selection, you've got a woman who is reporting vandals. You've got another woman who's got 8 kids and a woman who is involved in pet rescue and loves saving animals. Those are the types of personality issues that really do drive this decision, and not necessarily their gender. The real question is, how are these jurors going to get along? Because it depends, largely this verdict is going to depend on whether this is a consensus jury, they're going to get along and come to an agreement on either a murder charge or a manslaughter or an acquittal, or they're going to split because they're not going to agree on anything, and then you end up in hung jury territory.
Okay, well, I'm going to make you all my jury right now, and I want a one-word answer, which means one word, not the normal endless speeches that people give when I ask that question. I want to know whether you think he should be acquitted, found guilty of manslaughter, which the answer is manslaughter, or of second-degree murder. Let me start with you, Mark Lamont Hill.
Ooh, this is based on the presentation of the prosecution.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Not guilty.
Not guilty. Okay. We go to you, Richard Gabriel.
I think he did it. I think he did it, but not.
No. Well, that's a very honest answer, Richard Gabriel.
I'm just thinking about the jury, and I'm thinking they're heading toward a manslaughter because they don't have the motive, or they have enough motive to give them their state of mind of George Zimmerman, but they don't have enough to really give them that sort of depraved mindset for a second degree.
Judge Glenda?
I think it's going to be manslaughter, given the totality of the situation. I think it'll be manslaughter.
Jane Weintraub?
Not guilty.
Wow. 2 not guilties, 2 manslaughter. It's going to be a very, very...
We're hung, Piers. It's a
hung jury. And you know what? I think that probably sums up how America's feeling right now. It's a complicated case, and it could go any of 3 ways. Thank you all very much indeed for joining me.